Imagine a world where padlocks didn't need keys. Starcom Systems is reimagining the future with low keys, the padlock that needs no keys to be unlocked. This smart padlock provides real-time alerts should unwelcome guests attempt to tamper with it or breach its shackle. With the integrated GPS tracking, you'll always know where low keys is, which is especially important when your possessions are on the move. This innovative creation can even connect to external sensors to provide you with detailed information on the guarded possessions. With its unique ability to generate personal user IDs, you can preserve access integrity by keeping out unauthorized users. Low-Key's tough battery ensures extended use and reliability, while an external battery provides triple the power. You can even equip your smart padlock with a revolutionary flexible shackle of any length, providing improved security and ease of use. The best part, you can control Low-Keys using any device. With a keyless padlock, the possibilities are endless. Protect your most important possessions the smart way with Low-Keys. From Starcom Systems.